Have you ever found yourself lost in the vast sea of the internet, endlessly searching for ways to unlock the power within you? The answer lies in the power of affirmations. You've seen countless videos promising the secret to manifesting your desires with affirmations. But have you ever wondered why some people feel like they don't work? Why their effectiveness seems to wither away? Friends, let me tell you a secret. The key lies in using affirmations under specific rules and guidelines. Rules that, if not followed, can render even the most compelling affirmations ineffective. In this video, I will unravel the exact process and rules that will breathe life into your affirmations. I will share with you the most powerful phrases, tried and tested, to manifest your desires and create a life of abundance. But beware, my friend. Only those who stay till the end will uncover these transformative secrets. Every step is crucial, and you wouldn't want to miss a single one. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos that will change your life forever. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey of manifestation. The power is in your hands. All right, let's begin. Before we actually dive deep into our today's video, I have few questions for you. Have you ever wondered why positive affirmations are such a powerful tool for manifestation? Why repeating certain phrases can actually bring about positive changes in your life? Let's take a closer look at the science behind manifestation and positive affirmations. Positive affirmations have the remarkable ability to rewire your brain. They help shift your focus from negative thoughts and patterns towards a more positive mindset. Repeating positive affirmations can have a profound impact on our minds. According to research, repetitive thoughts and statements have a deep impact on our subconscious mind. They can help challenge and replace negative thoughts with empowering and uplifting ones and activate the reward centers in our brain to create a positive emotional response. Additionally, the process of repetition and affirmation acts as a form of self-conditioning, helping us form positive self-image and self-identity. Repeating positive affirmations sends signals to the brain, prompting the formation of new neural pathways. These pathways influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions, enabling you to consistently focus on the good things in life. Conversely, fixating on what you don't want can actually manifest undesirable situations. The mind is a powerful force, and what you consistently repeat or imagine can become your reality. Manifestation is not some ethereal concept without scientific backing. It operates on the principles of neuroplasticity and cognitive restructuring, powerful scientific phenomena that shape our thoughts and experiences. Think of manifestation like exercising a muscle. The more you actively engage in affirmations and visualization, the stronger your manifestation abilities become. It's a process that requires consistency and dedication. In order to manifest effectively, it's crucial to stay laser-focused on what you do want. Shift your attention away from what you don't want and place your energy on attracting positive situations and outcomes. To manifest our goals, we must be as kind to ourselves as we trust in God's greater plan. We must give ourselves permission to envision what we desire in life and focus on what brings us closer to our dreams. It is crucial that our self-talk is affirmative and encouraging, focusing on what we aspire to rather than our deficiencies. Speaking out loud how we have already achieved our goals can create powerful present tense phrases that evoke faith in ourselves. That's all okay, but how to use positive affirmations and what are the effective phrases one should use? If this question is coming in your head, you are on a right track with right pace. I will now talk about this only. I will now give you a collection of affirmations inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned expert in the law of assumption and the law of attraction. These powerful affirmations can be utilized in various situations to manifest positive outcomes in our lives. Situation number 1. To raise your confidence before presentations or important meetings. I am well prepared and confident in my abilities. I speak with clarity, conviction, and captivate my audience. Situation number 2. Control negative feelings such as frustration, anger, or impatience. I am in control of my emotions, choosing peace and understanding over anger and impatience. I release any negative energy and embrace a calm and positive mindset. Situation number 3. Improve your self-esteem. I am worthy of love, success, and abundance. I embrace my unique qualities and celebrate my achievements. I radiate confidence and attract positive experiences. Situation number 4. Finish projects you started. I am focused and determined to complete the tasks at hand. I effortlessly stay committed and motivated until I achieve my desired outcomes. Each step brings me closer to success. Situation number 5. Improve your productivity. I am disciplined and organized, effectively managing my time and resources. I prioritize tasks and work efficiently to accomplish my goals. I effortlessly maintain focus and accomplish more each day. Situation number 6. Overcome a bad habit. I am free from any destructive habits that no longer serve me. My willpower is strong, and I easily replace unhealthy habits with positive choices. I am in control of my actions and create a healthier, more fulfilling life. Now, let's talk about some rules, which you should keep in mind while using affirmations. Rule number 1. Taking a moment to reflect on areas of your life that you really wish to improve or change, whether it's relationships, career, health, or personal development, and ensuring they align with your core values and aspirations can help you craft credible and achievable affirmations. Rule number 2. Base your affirmations on realistic assessments of the facts and avoid setting goals that are far beyond reach. Rule number 3. Identifying any negative self-talk or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back and replacing those thoughts with positive affirmations can also help transform negatives into positives. Rule number 4. In order to enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations, phrase them in the present tense, as if they are already happening, and infuse them with emotion. Rule number 5. Choose statements that resonate deeply with you and evoke strong feelings of joy, excitement, or gratitude. Rule number 6. Consistency is key. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning or before bed, to reinforce positive thinking patterns and manifest your goals. Congratulations, dear friends! You've gained a deeper understanding of the power of manifestation and positive affirmations. Now, let's step back into the realm of reality, armed with the knowledge to create the life we desire. Remember, when developing your positive self-talk, speak in the present tense. Imagine yourself already having achieved your goals. Feel the emotions of success as if they are a current reality. Transform your aspirations into reality by genuinely believing in their possibility. Embrace a mindset of unwavering faith and trust in yourself. You have the power to attract and manifest the life you desire. If you found this video enlightening and empowering, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We value your thoughts and invite you to share them in the comments section below. May the divine power guide you on your manifestation journey. May your dreams become your reality and your desires manifest with ease and grace. Until we meet again in our next video, dear friends, keep manifesting and creating the life you truly deserve.